These soba noodles with asparagus are a quick vegetarian dinner in a nutty sesame soy sauce, ready in half an hour. You need soba noodles, green asparagus and snap peas, plus soy sauce, tahini, lime, ginger, and sesame. First, toast the sesame seeds in a dry pan until golden and fragrant. Trim the asparagus and slice the snap peas into thin, bite-sized pieces. Heat the sesame oil, then fry the garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add the asparagus and snap peas and stir-fry until crisp tender. Stir in the toasted sesame, then pour over the creamy sesame soy sauce. Finally, toss in the soba noodles until every strand is glossy and coated. Serve in bowls with scallions, nori, and an extra scatter of sesame. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.